singular task of delivering the promises embodied in Article 174 of the Constitution of Kenya. I now would like to take this opportunity to invite Your Excellency, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, former Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya, to make his keynote address. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much. You may be seated. The Chair of the Council of Governors, Governor Anne Waiguru, the Deputy, other governors who are here present today, all protocols observed, ladies and gentlemen, hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Hey, I feel very, very delighted and intimidated to be found to be here today. I am happy to come. I was invited to come, and I was reminded that this is the 8th of the summit that we're holding. And I just realized that I have been with you in all the 8 summits that you have held. So I was very happy to come again here today. Now, before I say anything else, I just want to introduce those who have come with me. 2 here have already been introduced. Your immediate former chairman, Governor Wycliffe Ambetsa of Paranya, former Governor Kakamega, Governor Mwangi Wairia, but I'm also here with the former Minister for Defense, the leader of DNA Party, Honorable Eugene Wamalwa. I'm also here with the chairman of Roots Party, Professor George Wajakoya. Those are Wanazimio who have accompanied me to come here. We are all very delighted